Data types, two types, fundamental data types and collection data types. Object holding single value, collection data types, object holding group of values. Object holding single value means after now what we discussed, that x equal to 10, right? One object gets created with value 10 with some address, right? The address is stored or returned to x. So here object holding single value, object holding single value. Now here x equal to 10 to 50. X equal to what? 10 to 50. So here an object gets created internally, here also for this collection data types with multiple values. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It's going to have some address, right? The address is written here. Means here object holding group of values are multiple values. The object holding multiple values, right? Object holding single value and object holding multiple values and group of values. Right? Okay. Object holding single value, fundamental type, object holding group of values, collection data type. Fundamental data types. 5 types. Fundamental data types are of 5 types. Integer, float, Boolean, string, integer. Integer means, for example, age 42. 42 is what? Integer. Float means, for example, salary you represent in float values, right? For example, 90,870.40, right? Salary. Boolean means true or false. It is true or false. String means sequence collection of characters. City equal to Chennai. Complex. X equal to 3 plus 4. In the case of general mathematics, you can say x plus I by, right? In Python, we say j. Instead of I, we use j. X plus I is x plus jy. 3 plus 4. Okay. So we will discuss about those things. But collection data types, 4 types. Collection data types are 4 types. Four types. Collection data types are of 4 types. List, tuple, set, dictionary. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. List Square bracket you are representing, tuple using normal braces, set by using curly braces, dictionary by using curly braces on the key and value format. By seeing the braces only, you should identify it's a list, it's a tuple, it's a set. For example, x equal to list of values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values within the square bracket. Here, y equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, tuple of values. Z equal to 1, curly brace 1, 2, 3. Take the example of dictionary. W equal to curly brace only, name and J, comma, age 25. This is key, this is value, this is key, this is value. Collection of key value pairs. We'll discuss in this all these list tuple sets and dictionaries in brief later. So what is list? List properties, list indexing, list slicing, list functions. Okay, fine. Now, yesterday I was just discussing about integer, right? Integer 4 cases, case 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So next I'll be discussing about this float, boolean, string, and complex. Now, so whenever we install Python, just to go to this where Python is installed. Okay. Python 3.9, you can see this ideally, right? With that ideally, Python shell will be opened. File, new file. Load data type. X equal to 45 minus x. Index, type of x, ID of x. Index, type of x, ID of x. I created a separate folder, 1130 here. Float.py. Float.py. Index means it prints 45 bytes. Type is what? Float type, and address where exactly it is stored. And observe this. Absent. X equal to 45.36 means one object gets created with value 45.36. It is going to occupy some address. The address is stored by X. Print X means it prints this. Address means it prints it. Type means float type. Run module. Print X. Type of X. Address of X. New file is set. Next is what? Boolean data type. Next is what? Boolean type. Boolean, it returns either, it takes either true or false. It takes what? It takes either true or false. Takes either true or false means, for example, X equal to true. Print X means it prints what? X equal to true. Fine. You are assigning true to X. Print X means prints true. Python is case sensitive. Upper cases, lower cases are taken differently. Here, true P should be in uppercase. False F should be in uppercase. Anytime if you are using true or false Boolean values, P should be in uppercase, F should be in uppercase. Print X, type of X. Type of X is what type? It's bool type. So what is that? Boolean type. Address of X, ID of X, where exactly it is. So print X, true. Type of X, Boolean type, address of X. See the type of X here. What type it is? Bool type, Boolean type. Address, this is the address, right? Next is what? Strings. What is a string? A string is a sequence collection of characters. A sequence collection of characters. Python string is represented. A string is represented using first single quote, single quote, double quote, triple quote. Single quote, double quote, and triple quote. Right? Each character of a string. Each character of a string is represented or accessed. Unique index. Is represented or accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. Forward index, backward index. Forward index, positive index. Forward index are positive index, backward index are negative index. Starts from left to right. Starts with 0. Indexing is going to start with 0. Each character of a string is represented or accessed by unique index. Supports two types of indexes. Starts from left to right, starts with 0, starts with -1. Okay. Subject. X equal to Python. I'm taking a string. String represented using double quote, single quote, and triple quote. Double quote when to go with single line string, you can go with single quote or double quote. Multi-line string. If you got three lines or 4 lines of string, go for triple quote. X equal to Python means here also an object gets created internally. Internally an object gets created Python. 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 So each one positive index are negative 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This we call as forward index. What is this? Forward index or positive index. Forward index or positive index. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Backward index or negative index. Backward index or negative index. It is going to have some address. This address is returned to X. The address is returned to X. Print X of 2. X of 2 value is what? T. X of -2 value is what? O. X of -3. That's right. We can use either this positive or negative index for representing that strings, right? Forward index, backward index. Forward index starts from left to right. Backward index or negative index starts from right to left. Starts with -1. Okay, now coming back. Triple quote, triple quote. What is this? Multi-line comments. Single line comment starts with hash. Multi-line comment starts with triple quote. Start with triple quote, end with triple quote. Means these are not going to get executed. Right, now see this x equal to Python. X equal to Python. Print x. Type of x is what type? Type of x is string. str. Print id of x. Run module. Class str is what type it is? str. This is the address. This is what the value. Right. Indexing, if you want to print that x of 2 value is what? X of 2 value t. X of 2 value is what? T, right? X of -2 value is what? 4, right? Y equal to programming. Y equal to programming. 1 second. Print x plus y. X plus y. X plus y means concatenation. F plus y means what? Concatenation. Observe this. Concatenation. Concatenation means adding two strings. Adding two strings. first string followed by second string. Adding two strings, first string followed by second string. One second. Now, next is string slicing. One second. String slicing, extracting particular portion of a string. Extracting particular portion of a string. X equal to Python program. What is it? The Python program. Prints the entire string. Now try to extract only Python from this. Extract only Python from this. Yes. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six has put up to 5 takes. Here, what is that? I have given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 only, but I have given 6. Why I have given 6 means always upper bound will be excluded. What is it? Always. This is lower bound, this is upper bound, right? Always upper bound. Will be excluded. That's why. If I give 5 means 5 will be excluded means you won't get n. Extract the middle portion of a string. Extract the middle portion of the string means, for example, extract only these 4 characters P or OG, right? Now try to say 4 characters. How can I extract X of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to yes. 7 to 7 I want, 8 I want, 9 I want, 10 I want. 7 to 11. I need to 11 excluded, up to 10 it takes, right? 7 to 10. So PROG. Run module. PROG, right? Next, extract PR. Okay, for example, print x of 11 to 7 is what? 7 to 11 PROG. 11 to 7. Use empty string. I'm giving comment here. Use empty string because always slicing it, because always slicing in the forward direction. Slicing in the forward. Always slicing in the. If you come to the backward direction, if you go in the backward direction, empty string it returns. Okay, fine. Now, extract PROG using negative index. Extract PROG using negative index. PROG using, try to say using negative index. Extracting PROG using negative index. Try to answer. Print x of, yes, x of -4 to long. This is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Start with -7. You should go in a forward direction. -7 I want, -6, -5, -4. Give it as -3. -7 to -3. Okay. -7, -6, -4. Understood, right? PROG. -3 excluded up to -4 it takes. Okay. PROG. Okay. Next, try to extract the word program from this. Extract the entire word. Extract the entire word program. PROGRA program is extracting the entire word program. How can I extract the entire word program from this? Print x of okay, 1 second. X of this is what using positive index you say first. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 to 13 can I say? 13 means m will be excluded, right? Then can I say 14? 14 means I'm not trying to access 14. Exclude up to 13 only it takes, right? It's fine. Next, otherwise, one another way of representing x of 7 to upper bound excluded means I'm not providing any upper bound, ignored. Means from 7th index to all the remaining characters it is going to read, right? If you want to go with the negative index, x of -7 to remaining elements, right? All the three results the same output. None are marked. Okay. Now, is it valid if I say like this, extract x of, I'm just ignoring this lower bound to 6. Is it valid? By default, it reads from the beginning to 5. 6 excluded means same thing, same output. You'll get Python. Now, what if I ignore both? So, entire string will be printed, similar to print x. Similar to what? Print x. Similar to print x of 0 to the remaining elements. This all the three results the same output. Last three statements result the same output, right? X of 0 to remaining. So this prints the entire string. Now, for example, print x of 0 to 10. 2 means what is the output you get? 0 to 10 with the increment of 2, with a step of 2. With the step of 2 or increment of 2 means 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index, 10 x to 10. Only those indexes means even indexes only it is reading. It reads only the characters present in that. Means what is the output you see? T 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index. Only those it is 20. Only those characters present in the event. Can I say like this? Print x of this is the same output, right? Like previous one. With the step of 2 only. 2 index 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, right? Same thing. All that entire string it is going to, but with the step of 2 means only even indexes 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Print x of what is output you get for this? Run module. Reverses a string. What is this last one? Reverses a string. python program Python program. Understood the slicing, right? Now, string methods. We have got some string methods for performing various operations. No need to write huge codings here in Python. We have got methods to perform this. Okay. String methods. String methods means first one upper. Converting a string to uppercase. What is that? Converting a string to uppercase. For example, x equal to hydrab. I want to convert to uppercase. Print x dot upper. What is it? X dot second lower. Converting a string to lowercase. For converting a string to lowercase. Converting a string to lowercase. for converting the string to lowercase. Okay. X equal to, for example, DELHI, Delhi. Print X dot lower, S dot lower, it converts to lowercase. That's fine. Observe this outputs once. str 3 dot py, right? Run what? Hyderabad, Delhi. So Hyderabad is for lowercase, it is converting to uppercase. Now, for example, observe this one more. Like we have got many methods for performing this. For example, x equal to India and say x equal to India. I want only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lowercase. Only the first character I in the uppercase means there is no need to write coding like x dot x is that string, right? Dot capitalize. What is that? X dot capitalize. Observe this output. Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Only I in uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. India. Now factorizing the first character. String, right? First character, only the first character only to be capitalized. Remaining, okay, fine. For example, x equal to, for example, good morning, Hyderabad. How many words are there in this? 3 words. Each and every word, first character I want in uppercase. Hyderabad H I want uppercase. Morning M I want. G good. So, okay, title. What is that? Title. Print x dot title. X dot title. Okay. Title. TITLE title. Okay. For capitalizing. For capitalizing the first character of each word. For capitalizing the first character of each word. G should be in uppercase, M, H, right? X dot title. Each and every word, first character in the uppercase. For example, employees I'm taking. Ajay, John, Miller, Blake. Okay, fine. Print EMPS dot title. Each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase. Each and every character. Okay. Ajay, John, Miller, Blake, Anil. Okay. A in uppercase, John, J in uppercase, M, Blake, Anil. Next, observe this swap case. Swap case converts one case to another case. Converts one second. Case to converts one case to another case. For example, if it is in upper, converts to lower, lower to upper, upper to lower. For example, x equal to good morning Hyderabad. It's in lower case. It converts to upper. If it is in upper, it converts to the opposite case. And x dot swap case. X dot swap case. Run module. So we don't need to write huge codings here. So good morning Hyderabad. Good morning. You are getting in uppercase, right? Okay. Next is we have got methods like a replace. Replace. For replacing a portion of a string. X equal to Java is easy. X insert as it is. Print x dot replace. X dot replace what? Java with. Replace Java with. Then what is the output you get? Python is easy enough. Run module, right? Java is easy. Now it's replacing the word Java with Python. So in this way, we have got many more methods like strip method for removing the blank spaces, format method for substitutions, find method to find for a particular string, split method for splitting a string, count for counting the number of occurrences, starts with, ends with. So many more methods are there that I'll be discussing in the next session, right? So on Monday we'll continue this on Monday again. So continuation to this, what we have discussed, right? The string methods. Any queries? Today we have discussed like variables, how to define variables, 4 cases in there, and data types, fundamental collection types, and in that we have got like floats, boolean, strings. In the string we are discussing a lot of discussion on strings. String we have discussed like indexing, right? Slicing we have discussed, string methods. String we have got some more methods on string methods, string functions, string special characters, more discussion on that, and complex, right? I'll stop here. You received the videos, right? Everyone up to what we have discussed. Okay, you can go through and try to just experiment those things by changing the inputs, everything. Okay. Yes.
String slicing. To extract the characters, we use square brackets. Then we use round brackets.
No. Always for slicing or indexing square brackets. Okay. Slicing or indexing x of 1, x of 2, x of 3. For indexing, slicing, we need to go with square. So again, we'll continue on Monday, continuation to this side. Next week, like extend, will extend with at least half an hour more timing, right? Awesome. And stop here, we'll continue. Any query? Tomorrow I'll be busy with weekend classes. This Saturday you don't have, but okay, next coming. And again, Monday some more students are going to come, right? So again, it will be forward. Okay. We'll continue from here on the string methods.